The summit is what drives us, but the climb itself is what matters. Conrad Anker. When it comes to education, there's not always an obvious trail. That's why plotting a course between points, predicting your pace, and planning routes are key to navigating the terrain successfully. To help educators and learners alike, CCI Learning, a leader in instructional technology, is moving mountains. We're excited to share XED, our kinesthetic learning platform. It's designed and developed so you can experience education differently. These are just some of the many features and benefits that XED offers. XED is a browser-based platform that can be accessed anywhere, anytime, and on any device, including PC, Mac, Chromebooks, and even mobile phones. Looking for a learning solution that's LTI compliant? We've got you. XED integrates seamlessly with LMS systems such as Canvas and Blackboard to manage and deliver courses more effectively. You can create, organize, and assign XED content within the LMS, including track learner progress and generate reports, all from a centralized interface. XED is also integrated with G-Metrics for an end-to-end experience. We understand the importance of differentiated learning. XED is built to be inclusive to all learning styles with embedded ebooks, quick deck flashcards, and quick clip videos. Immersive Reader is also built in and has several benefits, including enhanced reading comprehension, a personalized learning experience, support for learning course language, improved accessibility for diverse learners, independent learning, and wide availability through integration. Some of the benefits for instructors include instructor resources like course syllabus, unit plans, PowerPoint slides, pacing guides, answer keys, and warm-up, extension, and unplugged activities. These resources free up valuable time to focus on helping learners reach the peaks. Grading can seem like an uphill battle. Auto-grading allows for compass recalibration to shift your footing to more essential activities. What better way to predict learner pace? Progress reporting takes the guesswork out of the equation. Some of the benefits for learners include a kinesthetic learning framework that enables learning by doing. Courses offer in-app, simulated, and/or interactive learning experiences with real-world activities. Learning doesn't have to feel like the summit isn't attainable. XED offers fun and engaging activities and learning tools that make the climb seem effortless. Plotting your course is crucial to reaching the peak. To support your climb, all XED courses are mapped to Certiport's exam objectives. Practice in anything is key to developing your skills and ensuring you reach your achievements. That's why XED is integrated with Cert Prep practice tests powered by G-Metrics. Some of the many available courses geared toward K-12, higher ed, and workforce development include Microsoft 365 apps, IT specialist courses such as Python, Java, JavaScript, and HTML and CSS, ESB, CSB, QuickBooks Online, Intuit Design for Delight, Microsoft Fundamentals courses such as AZ900, SC900, and AI900, Digital Literacy, Adobe Suite of Products. And finally, Project Management Ready. In partnership with Certiport and PMI, CCI Learning has developed Project Management Ready curriculum to ensure content is constantly evolving for all new next-generation exam objectives. All XED courses are available in the top 5 languages for certifications and meet global standards. Languages include English, Spanish, French, Dutch, and Arabic. CCI Learning has created XED to support the Learn, Practice, Certify trifecta. Combined with G-Metrix and Certiport products, XED is a comprehensive and powerful solution that enhances the instructor experience and boosts the learner experience, preparing them to earn important micro-credentials. These micro-credentials will set them apart and set them on the right course to reach the pinnacle of their success. Climb the mountain with us. Experience education differently.